Hi, my name is Srinivas Nandimalla. So I'm part of so many influencer group leading in digital transformation and planning and strategy. So part of the digital transformation. I'm with the company with the group for 4.5 years, and overall experience of 30 years. I mean, so having digital transformation, worked in digital transformation, SAP and various other technologies. And I worked in industry as well. Basically, right, so business is evolving fast. Finding suitable application and also finalizing the architecture for that application is a kind of Herculean task. So to meet the business demands, so we have opted, we have finalized the low-code platform, Zoho Creator. So we have built more than 50 apps, and apart from that, we have built 200 plus logbooks. That is huge number actually. One of the shop floor is completely digitized using a low-code platform. Our plan is to have a digital factory. On the part of that process, we'd like to digitize even logbooks as well. This paperless factory or digital factory. See, basically, of late, I'm liking this. Creating a app on the fly using Jia. That right in front of business user, if there is a meeting, like to show the capabilities. The Zoho Creator, it is easy, right? Just show them using prompt and create some draft application. That creates a lot of impact on the business users. They are saying that how it is possible. Mobile app is also available and the web is also available. How it is possible? I said there is a power of low-code platform, Zoho Creator. By using these kind of unique features, we brought some change in the user mindset. So we have conducted few workshops, right? What is Zoho Creator? How it will bring the value to the business, and how fast we can build it. So basically earlier, traditional systems used to take a lot of time, right, to build. So there are set of people who were they specifically deployed for collecting the data from different people and create reports and to the leadership. So instead of that, now they can focus on analytics, right? Data is readily available always, 24/7. So instead of that, they can go focus on analytics and also make decisions. See, basically, right, I can show, right, this unique feature of creating app on the fly and also mobile app. So these kind of features definitely fascinate the people, potential customer. And now on the GI is being used during app creation phase inside as well. That will also help right. We are continue to develop we'll identify manual processes and we'll continue to use Zoho Creator for development. Basically, right, what the main challenge I could see, the agentic AI, it's coming up. So how, it is integrated to Zoho Creator, I would like to see, how Zoho will deploy that in Zoho Creator. That, I would like to see it. So those kind of, now industry is changing rapidly. So, right, IT industry especially, how, they'll embed all those things in Zoho Creator and Zoho ecosystem would like to understand. So those kind of challenges I would like to see how. So basically, right, our business transaction system is SAP. So ultimately, some of the data should go back to SAP or some master data. For example, master data, our customers, vendors, available in SAP system only. If I'm building an application based on vendors and customers, right? I need to take from SAP only. For that reason, we have started building integration. And so far, initially we faced some challenges, but it's now stabilized. Is a seamless integration. See, as a IT person, so if business is evolving, if you are not evolving, then it's a big challenge to IT as well, right? So adopt a low-code platform like Zoho Creator and meet the business needs. right? In the race, you will be in back. Few things I liked in Zoho Creator is, right, creating a app on the fly, right? So using GR, that is one feature, and also the same features embedded in the development as well. So that is a one good thing. Right, really helps the organizations who are considering low code platform for their requirement. So I think it is one of the must, right, low code platform, or even if right, they are not keen on development, so they can consider Zoho Creator as an alternative to custom development and take it forward.